Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, cleanse skin and the metal roller, then apply a thin layer of serum so the tool glides. Use your index and middle fingers to hold the handle. Position the roller at the center of your forehead and roll outward toward the hairline. Move slowly, with light pressure, enough to feel the metal but not tug the skin. Once done on the forehead, repeat on cheeks using the same outward motion, keeping strokes consistent and controlled for even coverage. Next, focus on contours. Start at the sides of the nose and roll outward and slightly upward along the cheekbones to lift and drain lymphatic fluid. For the eye area, switch to short, delicate strokes. Never press hard, 3 to 5 passes per side to reduce puffiness. Move to the jawline and chin, rolling from center outward toward the ears to define lines. Make sure to keep the roller flat against skin so it follows bone structure and distributes pressure evenly. To finish, roll down the neck with long upward strokes toward the jaw, then give the forehead one gentle final pass to harmonize circulation. Wipe the roller with alcohol, dry it, and store it in a cool place. This preserves the metal and prevents bacteria. If you notice persistent redness, stinging, or bruising, stop immediately. Apply a cool compress, reduce pressure next time, and consult a professional if it doesn't improve. Make sure to adjust technique.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.